Hey there, how we doing, Veve and Ecomi fam? It is OhmDawg coming at you with a Veve Price Action update. And today it is September 5th, 2021, and it is 12:35 a.m. on the East Coast. We're going to be getting these done earlier in the morning, I guess, before the price action updates. Before we get into it, I wanted to thank all 104 of you for breaking me through that first major milestone in a YouTube channel. 104 subscribers. I'm speechless. Thank you, every single one of you. Um, let's go ahead and throw up the disclaimer and let's get right into it. We're going to look over some stuff today. All right, with that being said, this is not financial advice. This video is for educational purposes only. Trading with money involves risk, and I am not responsible for any decisions you make based off this information today. All right, with that being said, guys, we have some huge news within the collectible comic sector of Veve. So we've had this teaser dropped on the 3rd of September, so yesterday, and we basically got this space clip, and then Veve just gave us this little string of numbers, but it's been basically decoded to September 8th, 2021, which is this Wednesday. So, and they have had no official release or anything yet. No tweet, no Medium article. So all we can do is speculate right now is that Star Trek Day is on Wednesday, and Veve has been hinting Star Trek 2-3 times. Some people said Star Wars, but that wouldn't make sense because they need to really check Star Trek off the books. And why would you do a Star Wars drop on Star Trek Day? So yeah, Wednesday, September the 8th, we will, unconfirmed, see Star Trek. But yeah. Alright guys, let's go ahead. So this will be exciting. This kind of gets us right into the collectibles side of the market, collectibles and comics. Yeah. Collectible prices have dropped since our last video. We were seeing all-time highs on comics, or on Secret Rare Comics. We were seeing the pump of the Deadpool, House of X, and Marvel 1, which are now, at this moment, currently declining. I'm going to actually check those real quick for y'all. All this data is inaccurate. I know last time I checked, floor of Marvel 1 was 7.6k, I believe. Let's see, Journey to Mystery. Yeah, I'm going to have to go on my phone for this. Sorry, guys. I'll cut it to save time. Alright, so we're seeing a floor on Deadpool, 1.2k, so we've already went from 1.8k to 1.2k since our last video. Let's see. Oh yeah, also guys, my phone is completely broken. I'm getting a new phone here in the morning when I wake up, but I can barely use it. It's the digitizer is completely busted. There's a white bar down here. It's a mess. But yeah, gotta go get a new one. I accidentally waved hi to somebody and my phone went flying in the air. So yeah, gotta be careful. Yeah, 1.2k on the Marvels one. Yeah, so across the board we've seen, you know, the decrease of all comics and collectible prices dropping simply because around these times we see the new drops coming out. But what happens? That's that new hype. Everybody's hype around that. Prices drop. People are willing to take losses or less profit in order to get that new collectible dropping in the market. So naturally, we see prices fall. And then, especially with the secret rares, thing to point out is, or the secret rare comics, at least I've seen. I'm sure this applies with secret rare collectibles, but when you list it and the price is already in a decline, you list it relatively floor. You know, maybe a few minutes later, people are already relisting below you, and that's just how it happens when secret rare prices drop. So you definitely want to catch those sells on the way up. But when you get these announcements, it's hard to retain those values with hype coming around. So initially it's just a domino effect of people stacking new sell orders under, trying to get their sell in before the market drops more, and it's just a huge mess. So yeah. The secret rare comics are extremely volatile, so if you have one, congratulations, but it's also probably a nightmare and probably a half of a heart attack holding one of those things. So I commend all of you. And considering there's no chart or market data to base off of, is price going to go up or down after this? It's tough. I could imagine it being tough for you guys. But yeah, so anticipated, we have the anticipated Star Trek drop, so naturally we see everything across the board falling. Yeah, that's basically all we have for today in terms of the Veve the Veve collectibles and comics side of Veve. We obviously have there's actually plenty of opportunity right now to go into some of these. I think still the Todd McFarlane is still floating around 500, which is crazy. I think the Prides just went up. The Prides are up there now. It's crazy, guys. We're in a crazy time, and a crazy time to own some of these things. A crazy time. You know, just imagine a lot of people are not going to be able to say in the future that they held a Veve NFT before it was technically an NFT, because if you're not aware, these collectibles are technically not NFTs yet because they are not on a blockchain. They're not on blockchain data, and that is coming with Immutable X news. Obviously, these will all be verified. They'll have smart contracts, all the good stuff with Immutable X coming soon. Hopefully by the end of September, if not maybe early October. Let's just hope though, everybody. I hope you got your bags built. I can't say I do. I gotta get as much as I can. I will say now I have relatively probably 500,000 liquid that I could buy or sell. That I could sell to the market. Not going to do that, obviously. I just want to get to that million point. I'd have the value there. It just depends on... I've actually had a million Omi before, or very close to it. But I was trying to short the market a while ago, and ended up, it went up, obviously. So, still have buy orders down. Could have a million. We will see. But anyway, guys, this was today's Veve price action update. We have the Star Trek announced. We have a lot of volatility going on within the collectibles and comics market. So I appreciate everybody stopping by for today's video. This is OhmDawg coming at you with a Veve price action update, and I will catch y'all in the price action update dropping here in a few hours. Peace.